guys, hope everybody's having a good day. I am Dimitri Pence and this is the Outer Crest. So today I am gonna catch you guys up on part 2 of my journey to the Pacific Northwest. But in there I felt like I left a few things out while I was on Orcas in the parade and everything like that, and I just kind of wanted to brush up on that. So I'm gonna throw a couple more clips in before we really get started today, just to show you guys kind of what was going on. Finally, once we get off the island and we get to our campsite, I like to get all set up, and then from there I kind of go and check out the trails and just check out the area around the camp and get myself settled in. Altogether, I spent about 5 days on the Olympic Peninsula, I would say. But it was really tough trying to get around because we were there on the weekend and it was the middle of summer, obviously, and so it was just really packed everywhere we went. One spot that we really would like to have gone to was a DNR campground called Lyre River Campground, and it was beautiful campground. It had water and some spots were electrical, and it was free, obviously, and so that spot was pretty much packed the whole time we were there. We couldn't really find a spot, so we ended up staying at Sadie Creek, which was an awesome place, but we didn't have any cell phone service. We couldn't really fill any water up, so it just felt like we were in the boonies the whole time. So first we decided to check out a few campsites around the Olympic Peninsula before we decided to actually head off of the peninsula back to the mainland. But everywhere was just packed. It was way too busy, and so we decided to just head back to the ferry and try our luck over on the mainland. So we get back over to Coupeville and we start driving around. We check out campsite after campsite after campsite, and everywhere just seems to be busy. And finally, we found a spot called Walker Valley ORV DNR campground, and you can park at the trailhead of that. It's basically like an ATV off-road trail site, but it makes do, and it's free to stay at. They've got a bathroom you can camp at, or you can go into, and yeah, it's not too bad of a spot. So finally, once I get to Walker Valley at about 10 o'clock at night, I just kind of basically go to bed that night. But the next day, I like to wake up, take the dogs out, and go explore the area again.